This is so thick, so I'm gonna pour this in here. Product. Bada boom. Jamaican Irish Moss. And yes, you can do it. It's very simple. Just follow along with the recipe that I have. So here's some sea moss that I got from Jamaica. And this is wild crafted from the sea. So what I did was I soaked it in some spring water. And this is it now. Soaked it in spring water. Washed it off with lime. Drained it. Put more water on it again with lime. Let it sit overnight. And this is the result. So it swells up a lot. So now I'm gonna blend it up. Make some sea moss gel. And then make what Jamaicans called Irish moss. Alright. You're not going to put a lot of water to it because you want to make sure it turns to a gel. If you put too much water, it's going to be watery. So now we're going to blend it. So yeah, looks like I need to add a little more water. Or put too much sea moss in the blender. So don't follow me and mash up your blender, yeah? Look at it. It needs more water in it. So I had 2 cups of the sea moss and a little less than 1 cup of spring water. This thing is thick. You could put it in your porridge. You could put it in your smoothie. You could put it in your applesauce and give your kids. So this is how you know that it's not finished blending. You see how you can see the pieces sticking off. So it needs to blend some more. So your kids won't know that it's not applesauce. Look at it. Nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? So I'm gonna go ahead now and put it in the mason jar. See? So I'm gonna fill this up. Look at this. Look at it. Wow. So if you made this before and your gel isn't gelling, you probably put too much water. Alright, so look at this. Thick. So that's gel. You can put it on your face. So I'm gonna use it to make some Jamaican Irish moss. So here we are. I put some of the homemade sea moss gel in here. Well, I left it in here. I just blended it. And we have the homemade almond milk. Yes. So I'm gonna pour some almond milk in here. We're gonna make our Jamaican Irish moss. We're gonna blend this up. I need some more water. So what I'm gonna add to mine, I'm gonna add some raw Jamaican peanut. I'm gonna add some oats. I'm gonna grate my nutmeg. So yes, this is how the nutmeg looks. I know most people buy from the store already grated, but this is how it looks. What you do is crack this open, and then this is what's inside, and you grate it. So there it is. It's grating the nutmeg. So there you go. I put the oats in, and I'm gonna put the peanuts now. So this is how it looks 1 minute after blending it. It's thick. I'm gonna taste it now. So I'm gonna put some more peanut in it. It actually tastes fine. And then I'm gonna blend it up again. And then actually I'm gonna add some cinnamon and vanilla extract. So I'm adding this ground cinnamon and vanilla extract, just a little bit to taste. So here's the vanilla extract, some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna close it and blend it again. Folks, here we go. I know this is so thick, so I'm gonna pour this in here. Don't worry, I'm gonna scrape everything out. And then I'm gonna add some more almond milk because this is so thick. You see this? I mean, you might like yours thick. So I'm gonna add some more almond milk in it. And then mix it up. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Jamaican pure honey. Look at that. Honey obtained from logwood blossom, mango blossom, bullet tree, pear tree blossom. Good stuff. And you really don't need the honey, but I want to add it to mine. And if you don't have almond milk, you can use Lasco. I would use the almond Lasco if I didn't have the almond milk that I made, but that's more shorthand. So this is gonna be extra nice because I made my own almond milk. Ooh. So what you do is you taste it and you tweak it as much as you like to your liking. So I'm gonna add a little bit more nutmeg, and then that's it. This is it. So this is the finished product. Bada boom! Jamaican Irish Moss. Yep, there you go, people. And remember, there's not only one way to make it, there's many ways. So make it to how you like it.